You think you know marketing? Watch this. The game has changed.
The world is far different than it was even just 6 months ago.
You got that right, homie. It's a beautiful day to go viral.
Right now, we are absolutely crushing it with AI video.
This isn't about knowing that AI video is fun and entertaining. It's about how you can use it to get traffic and turn that traffic into money.
You have no idea what can be done with AI video now! Vyralzz is the hot new way to make money with AI.
Listen, we know how to get traffic.
We know how to get money from viral videos.
Happy little viral videos.
Most people know about AI video, but they either A, don't use it, or B, don't think they can access it, or C, don't know how to profit from it.
But we know how to access free AI video from anywhere in the world, get a ton of traffic, and profit like crazy.
Dave, things are moving so fast, and we are in the most special moment in time, right now. We all have about 6 months to absolutely crush it online with Vyralzz.
What now?
Dang!
With Vyralzz, you don't have to be on camera. You can create viral videos on your phone while you're chilling, get a ton of views, and push those viewers to wherever you want.
You really need to check out Vyralzz.
We know the one simple secret that lets you create crazy videos like these while also getting hundreds of thousands of views, and that's why we created Vyralzz.
Love it. Look at those happy little people on the chairlift. Vyralzz is an insane system to get you more happy little $100 bills, yo.
As soon as you get into the Vyralzz system, you receive our guide on how to create viral AI video. You also receive step-by-step video instructions on how to do this, and then you also get our special AI video prompting guide.
I'm amazed at this genius system for going viral.
We show you how to get into the viral AI video game for free and from anywhere in the world so you can finally get all the traffic and income you deserve. Just hit that button below and get ready to go Vyralzz!